These are the original 3 planters with the figs that I bought from the Harrison County um, Master Gardener plant sale. They are growing very well, putting on lots of new growth. No figs, but they're brand new. I don't expect to have figs. Excited to see lots of new growth. Today, I got these 3 guys potted up. So I have 3 more planters. I've sold about 6 of these planters, or I would be done by now with all of my figs, getting them potted up. But yeah, so I got these 3 done today. Very happy with them. They're not all level right now. I'll be working on that still. But yeah, so we're up to 6 planters. Figs are going in them, looking good. Still have 3 there. Those 3 there. And then my brand new one that I just bought at Canton Trades Days this weekend. So, fig update. Feeling good about it. Really digging the new planters. These are not hard to make, y'all. I've made it a little bit more difficult than it should be, but they are not hard to make. Details to come.